Understanding rabbit cage, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might seem simple at first glance but is packed with meaning and usage in the English language: rabbit cage. Whether you're an English learner looking to expand your vocabulary or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. So, let's hop into the learning. At its most basic, a rabbit cage refers to the enclosure used to keep rabbits. The word cage is often associated with a structure made of wire or metal designed to hold animals. When combined, rabbit and cage specifically denote a home for a pet rabbit. But there's more to it than just the literal meaning. The phrase can also be used metaphorically to talk about feeling trapped or confined in a situation, much like a rabbit might feel in a small cage. Let's look at the two components of the phrase. 1. Rabbit, a small furry mammal known for its long ears and ability to hop quickly. 2. Cage, a structure of bars or wires in which animals or birds are confined. When we talk about a rabbit cage, we're referring to a specific type of cage, designed to meet the needs of a rabbit, which includes space for the rabbit to move around, access to food and water, and a comfortable resting area. Now, let's see how to use rabbit cage in everyday conversation. I just bought a new rabbit cage for my pet bunny, Fluffy. She felt like she was living in a rabbit cage after being in her small apartment for so long. In these sentences, rabbit cage is used to describe both a physical object and a state of mind. When learning English, it's easy to make mistakes with new phrases. Here are some common ones to avoid with rabbit cage. Don't confuse cage with case. Remember, a case is something entirely different, such as a suitcase or a scenario. Be careful with the article you use. It's a rabbit cage when referring to any such enclosure, but the rabbit cage when it's about a specific one you've already mentioned or is known to your listener. And that's a wrap on the phrase rabbit cage. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it correctly. Remember, learning a new language is like unlocking new doors. Sometimes, all you need is the right key. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using rabbit cage in a sentence today. See you in the next video.